Hi, my name is Stephanie Klocko, and I am the Associate Director of Choral Activities here at the University of Wisconsin-Platteville. Today we have singing for you the concert choir, one of 5 ensembles that we have here on campus. This is the introductory mixed group, mostly made up of freshmen. And because we are singing in such challenging times right now, we wanted to give our senior choral education majors a chance to test their wings a little bit. So our choral methods class has been very involved with this class. They have taught both of the pieces that you are going to hear today. Senior Nathan Greve will conduct Cantate Domino, and Senior Sara Jordan will conduct Keep Your Lamps. We will have 2 soloists on Keep Your Lamps. The first one is Rachel Burkard. She is a sophomore Spanish ed major, and Rennie, first-year animal science major. We have Andrew Reeve helping us out on drums, and our fantastic accompanist for the concert choir this semester has been Laura B. Thank you. We hope you enjoy. I am extremely proud of all of these students and their hard work this semester.